we show in another video that monopoly produces less than the socially efficient output. The deadweight loss of the monopoly is the economic surplus the economy would gain if it produced the competitive level instead of the monopoly output. The deadweight loss measures the cost of the resource misallocation that occurs when a monopoly produces less than the socially efficient quantity. Let's walk through an example. Suppose that this table shows the quantity of steel demanded as price decreases from $80 to $71 and the marginal revenue and marginal cost of each extra unit of output. First, let's find out what a monopoly would do. A monopoly maximizes profit by producing 5 tons of steel. The monopolist's profit increases as output increases from 1 ton to 5 because marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost. The monopolist's profit decreases as output increases from 5 tons to 10 because marginal revenue is less than marginal cost. A competitive market produces 8 tons of steel because price equals marginal cost when quantity is 8 tons. The economic surplus increases by $4.50 when output increases from 5 tons to 8. Since the consumer is willing to pay $75 for the 6 ton of steel and its marginal cost is only $72, economic surplus increases by $3 when output increases from 5 tons to 6. Similar calculations show that the economic surplus of increasing output from 6 tons to 7 is $1.50, and the economic surplus of increasing output from 7 tons to 8 is 0. Therefore, economic surplus increases by a total of $3 plus $1.50 plus 0 equals $4.50 when output increases from 5 tons to 8 tons. We can easily show the deadweight loss on a graph when Q can be any number on the number line. This graph plots the demand, marginal revenue, and marginal cost curves for a monopoly. The area of the pink triangle is the deadweight loss. The height to the demand curve measures the highest price a consumer is willing to pay. For example, the height to point B is the highest price a consumer is willing to pay when the monopoly sells Q max. The height to the marginal cost curve measures the marginal cost when output increases by a small amount. For example, the height to point F is marginal cost when the monopoly increases output slightly from Qmax. The distance between the demand and marginal cost curves measures the economic surplus gained when output increases by a small amount. If we sum all of the distances between the demand and marginal cost curves as output increases by small amounts from Qmax to QPC, we obtain the area of the pink triangle. Students of calculus might recognize this area as the integral of the difference between the demand and marginal cost curves.